What is going on YouTube? It is your neighborhood redneck back at you again. And today, I got another upgrade for the here tower. Today we got in the Gigabyte GeForce GTX 1650 overclocked graphics card. Let's get it put in, check out the specs, see what we get. Alright, let's open this up, see what we get in the box. Once again, this is from Gigabyte. This is the GeForce GTX 1650. This is the overclock edition. It's got the WindForce dual fans, 4 gigs of GDDR5 RAM. And what's nice about this one is it doesn't require the extra power plug-ins to run the 2 fans. These will run off the PCIe Express lane. Here's the card itself. So we get a quick guide and the drivers. I'll make sure I'll put a link to this graphics card in the description below, so you can go ahead and check it out yourself. My other graphics cards were good for video editing, but as I started playing games more, I noticed I was losing frame rates, so it was time to make the upgrade. Very nice. This one's a lot lighter, less pull on my motherboard hopefully. It's a little smaller, but it's got these nice clearish gray plastic fans here, lightweight. So on the front face here, we have protectors out of it here. We got DisplayPort and then 2 HDMI's out. Of course your PCIe Express lane slot. So that'll be cool. See the aluminum heatsink here? It's got the grooves cut in it. That'll channel that air downwards and right along the base of the GPU. Keep it nice and cool. Let's get this side glass panel off here real quick. We'll get this other graphics card out and we'll compare it to the new one. Get it swapped out. So before I gingerly take this out, get it? I made a joke. I want you to notice I got these PCIe plugs here. I won't need these for the new graphics card, so I can unplug these from the modular PSU below, or I can go ahead and just stuff them down behind and in the basement. I think for now I'm going to leave them. I do know that this MSI card is, it's got some weight to it. It sags right away as soon as I let go of those screws. Alright. Oh, got to unhook it. Just like that. We got the MSI graphics card out. We got the MSI, the Twin Pros R2 out. As you can see, compared here side by side, the new Gigabyte is a lot shorter. MSI is really hefty. It's all solid metal here. Big old heat pipes, aluminum blocks. For thickness, they're about the same thickness and same width. But this GeForce, it's going to be a lot lighter. A lot more RAM. The MSI was 1 gig. This is a 4 gig. So that's going to make the world of difference there for my build here. And let me get better frame rates for playing games. So let's go ahead and put it in. Get it turned on. Install some drivers and we'll do a benchmark. Right, let's get this Gigabyte put in here. As I was saying, you're going to want to use the top PCIe Express lane. It's the closest to your CPU, and it's going to have shorter distance, and it's going to have greater bandwidth. Not only does it have the heat shroud and protection on it also. So go ahead and get it in there. Make sure you get everything lined up. Insert the card so you get the snap. And we are good. Put some screws back in it. And we can turn her back on. Well, alright. I'm back at you again here. We got those graphics cards swapped out. The old MSI taken out. Took me less than 10 minutes probably, so it's pretty simple. Anybody can do it. So don't be afraid to upgrade your PCs. So let's dive into these results and see the difference we made. Okay, so for the old MSI graphics card that I was using the MSI Afterburner here. This card is of course the Gigabyte, so I'm using the Aurora engine here. Just open it up. It'll do a scan real quick and it'll load up what you're actually running right now, and then from there you can overclock it and apply, and you can set profiles, whatever you'd like.